How to use cron jobs in Linux? To use it, we will simply we are we're using a root user, and we will simply type cron tab minus L here. Here we it's listing the current cron jobs for a specific user. To add a job cron job, we will simply use um, cron tab minus E, and here we are inside this file. Here basically we have a simple format of this file. First of all, we have a specify minute, then hour, then day of month, and then we will specify the month and day of week. And then we will specify the command like ls minus l. It will automatically run as per the mentioned time period, and it will perform the repetitive task automatically without a human intervention. Basically, this is the purpose of the cron tab in Linux, to automate the tasks.